Makiaraniria nenda-ini, President Uhuru Kenyatta na Prime Minister wa Ngeretha Boris Johnson maracerete thukuru-ini wa muthingi wa Westlands guku Nairobi na wa Cleves Cross uria uri bururi-ini wa Ngeretha. Magicokia ciuria cia arutwo aya, atongoria yeri ni matariirie uria mabururi-ini maingi githomo kia iritu gitari kiraiyukio na kinyi, undu uria ubataire kumurikwo na gwetherwo kihonia.
Prime Minister, sir, how will you ensure that all girls gain access to education?
Girls are not getting the education they need. And people aren't treating girls the same as boys when it comes to education. And they're not getting the same funding, they're not getting the same attention.
President Uhuru Kenyatta oigite ni hari bata mabururi mothe manyitane kwagirithia githomo na gutigirira gutire mwana utarathie thukuru tondu wa wagi wa mbeca.
Resources are scarce, and that's why myself and Boris are really trying to work hard over the next couple of months to raise the money that we're trying to raise to ensure that no child is left behind and everyone has an opportunity to get a quality education that therefore gives them a quality foundation to be great citizens of the globe in years to come.
Oho atongoria aya ni matariirie bata wa mabururi kuhimbiria njira cia kiriu cia ukinyaniria mathomo-ini, undu uria ungikorwo na uguni makiria mahinda-ini maya mabururi magumirwo ni murimu wa COVID-19.
That's children all across the world, from the United Kingdom to here in Kenya, right across. Kids being forced to stay at home through no will of their own, but as a result of this unfortunate pandemic. And what has this told us? It has told us that we've got to also really pick up on digital learning.
President Uhuru Kenyatta ni agathiririe arutwo aria marekire kigeranio mwaka wa 2020 thutha wa kwandikithia maumirira mega thengia wa mathina maria ruhonge rwa githomo rutungitio ni murimu uyu. Girifotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Macharia.